ये चौथा दिन है हमारे सीरीज़ का। सो मैंने आज क्या किया, दिखाता हूँ आपको क्या की। आप देख सकते हो मैंने गूगल के जो जेन एआई एक्शन प्रोग्राम में एनरोल किया है, मैंने उसमें सबमिशंस किए। कैसे सबमिशंस आपको बताता हूँ। मैंने आज बहुत सारे प्रॉम्प्ट्स के साथ खेला और उनके साथ बहुत कूदा। It doesn't sound good, na, but it's reality. I played with prompts in multiple use cases, X text space as well as in image generation. So, what you about this and what you can do for a prompt? So here is this. Here this. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You haven't registered for this program. Go and register now. The link is in the description and check out how to register in this program through my another video you can have in this card section. So here is you will be getting an opportunity to go and visit the Google office in 7 of the states you can exclude in that video. So go and check it out. और आज इसके अलावा क्या कर रहा हूँ? तो आज कुछ नहीं है ज़्यादा करने के लिए, बट आई व्हाट आई डिड इन द मॉर्निंग इज आई लर्नड अबाउट द स्टेप जॉब हिस्ट्री फ्रॉम गेटिंग ज़ीरो to building an multi-billion dollar Apple company, how he handled the entire ecosystem and operation, how he led the company, came out of this bankruptcy to a $300 million startup. So this what I learned for the morning, and after which during the mid time of afternoon, I went for a short sleep, after which I got up and complete this my task for today, and I played with many of the prompts as I said before. Go and check it out. If you want to check the video on this how to execute and effectively perform all the tasks in that program, if you are confused, so don't waste your time in confounding multiple testing trials. Just copy paste the instruction and go to the chat GPT or any of the AI and paste it and ask him to simplify this instruction according to me, as I am a 10 or 15-year-old boy or girl, as you can describe better. So he will be giving you a simplified step with a proper relatable example so you can understand it better and complete out without any task. So here is what you get the help of AI effectively. So next week from Monday, I am getting so sucked due to this oral exam is coming up. As an engineering guy, I want to learn the AutoCAD software. I was trying to learn, but the thing was, the changing plane in AutoCAD is too difficult, and drawing the arc, a 3D circle, oval circle diagram is नेक्स्ट लेवल टास्क ब्रो। प्रोग्रामिंग उससे भी टफ है भाई। इससे अच्छा तो प्रोग्रामिंग लगता है भाई, सिंप्लीफाइड तो है। उसमें कितना चेंज करना पड़ता है भाई। सो दिस इज व्हाट द इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ इज। I would be completing my oral exam within 5 days and hope so I would be consistent in putting up the videos in between the oral exams. Hope so होगा तो नहीं मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारा स्टफ है। अभी मेरे को देखना भी है ऑटोकैड कैसे चलाते हैं, सीखना भी है ट्यूटोरियल से। ऑलवेज कीप लर्निंग, डोंट टेक योर मोरल डाउन और डोंट स्किप एनी ऑफ द डे इन बिटवीन। कोई भी दिन स्किप मत करना भाई। कंसिस्टेंसी मैटर, डिसिप्लिन ऑल्सो मैटर। डिसिप्लिन इक्वल्स कंसिस्टेंसी। दिस इज द कोट said by a great man. So this is what I am hoping you will be learning through from this video. Go and enroll for this course. I am not promoting this course, but If you want to head start in this AI ML journey or generative AI journey, go and check it out. You will be learning more stuff from the experts out there. You will be using the lads of them freely, calling the API, hitting the API, which allows the charge to other companies. You will be doing for free for a trial basis, a Gemini 2.0 model. So this is what for today's video. Seeing you in another. Let's grow together. Join on my journey. Signing out. You're those you will be.